The state Supreme Court race is one of the most important races in Michigan. That, according to the Jackson County prosecutor who hosted the Republican nominees today. Democrats also nominated 3 people up for seats on the Supreme Court. Faye Lee spoke with both parties and tells us more about the candidates.
The race for 3 seats on the Michigan Supreme Court is competitive. Incumbent Republican Justices Stephen Markman and Brian Zara banded with Republican candidate Judge Colleen O'Brien.
Holding government and special interests accountable. Markman, O'Brien, and Zara, decades of experience. Experience
is what the justices and Judge O'Brien say sets them apart. The 3 running as a team that advocates the rule of law. That is, the idea judges should strictly adhere to what the law is and not legislate from the bench.
We need stability and predictability in our laws.
Bringing to the people a question of what is the proper role of the judiciary.
No Republican or Democratic decision making, but all people are treated exactly the same way in the courtroom.
But the Michigan Democratic Party wants voters to cast their ballots for these 3 women.
Connie Kelly,
Sheila Johnson, Bridget McCormick.
3 proven advocates.
Kelly Johnson
McCormick.
Who spent their careers fighting on behalf of families and children. And that's really one of the reasons they're running, to try to make sure that we end abuse of particularly children.
And that's why Democrats say Circuit Court Judge Connie Kelly, District Court Judge Sheila Johnson, and University of Michigan law professor Bridget McCormick should have seats on the Michigan Supreme Court. In Lansing, Faye Lee, Fox 47 News.
The race breaks down into 2 parts. 2 seats for a full 8-year term. In the running are incumbent Justice Stephen Markman, Judge Colleen O'Brien, plus 3 other candidates. Then there's 1 seat for a 2-year partial term. Those candidates are incumbent Justice Brian Zara, Democratic candidate Sheila Johnson, and independent Mindy Bari.